Tired of dealing with flat tires that slow you down? Imagine riding with inner tubes tough enough to resist punctures and pinch flats, so you can focus on the ride, not the repairs. That's exactly what you get with the 2.5 mm thick heavy-duty Tuff Tubes, designed specifically for motocross and off-road use where durability matters most. I've been using Tuff Tubes in my rear hub motor tire on an 8000W overpowered Ebike, and the difference is clear. The cheap, thin tubes I used before kept breaking at the valve stem within months. But these Tuff Tubes have lasted over a year without a single issue. Their premium quality butyl rubber and straight metal valve stem hold up under pressure and rough conditions, giving me peace of mind on every ride. What changes when you switch to Tuff Tubes? You get a reliable tube that's twice as thick as OEM tubes, built to withstand the demands of aggressive riding. This means fewer flats, less downtime, and more confidence whether you're hitting the motocross track or powering through off-road trails. If you're ready to upgrade your ride's reliability, Tuff Tubes are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to experience the difference.